Welcome back to another videos, guys. So in this video I will be recording my average of 12. I actually already did my average of 12 earlier, but my mic was not working. Yeah, I think it was due to some settings in the OBS that were not configured correctly. So there were some audio issues there. So I am recording my average of 12 again. So previously when I did my average of 12, as you guys can see here, I got a average of 12 of 21.34 seconds, which is actually pretty good for me. At first I started out really slow, but I really got into the zone towards the later solves. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of sub-20s towards the end. But yeah, it was really unfortunate. My audio was not recorded earlier, so I'm re-recording right now. So yeah, this video is just going to be a video to record my 1 month progress. Previously, when I recorded a video like this, I averaged like 25 seconds, I believe, which yeah, was kind of on the slower end for me because I was just kind of a little bit nervous on camera. But I think when I'm recording it this time, I'm a lot more comfortable. And yeah, I probably won't talk too much to the camera when I'm doing my average of 12, just because I'm just want to focus all my energy on solving the cube. But yeah, let's warm up first. So how I usually warm up is do one slow solve and then one fast solve, and then start recording my times. And so yeah, let's get started. Oh, by the way, let me tell you guys about my practice routine. So I try to practice every day, but that does not always happen. When I practice, I usually just do average of 12, which only takes me about like 10 minutes to do. So probably like 10 minutes of practice every day. Then of course when I'm just have nothing to do, I also pick up the cube, just solve it without recording the time. So I also do some really casual solves without recording the time. So yeah, I would say serious practice of like just recording my times, 10 minutes a day. I try to, sometimes a little bit more, depends on how I feel. And then yeah, sometimes when I get bored, I just casually solve the cube. No timer, I just hand scramble the cube, no timer, and just solve it for fun. And yeah, that actually really helps with training for the look ahead as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's start warming up. Okay, my fingers are moving really well because I've actually just solved the cube earlier, so feeling really good right now. Feeling very fluid. All right, this is just going to be a slow solve just to work on my look ahead. Okay. All right, now it's time to do my fast solve, just for warm up. Yeah, so usually during practice I average like 21 to 22 seconds. So I've actually never averaged 19 seconds, I mean sub 20 before, like practicing when recording my average of 12. So my main goal here is to try to get an average of 12 of under 20 seconds. That's what I think is like a good way to see that you're actually like a consistent sub-20 solver. So yeah, let's see what times I can get this time. All right, so right now I'm going to start a new session. And yeah, I probably will not talk to the camera and just focus solving on the cube right now. All right. Okay, let's lower the camera a little bit. Okay. Sometimes I might miss-scramble the cube a little bit, but I doubt that will affect anything. But yeah, sometimes I'm just scrambling so fast that I mess up the scramble. But yeah, let's just get started here. Okay. Deep breaths. Okay, let's get started, guys. Fingers a little shaky. It's really good. Just checking if the mic is working. Doing really good. Never got this many 16-second solves before. Yo, I was so close to getting like a sub 20 average. But yeah, I kind of messed up on that 11th solve right there. As you can see, I messed up the last layer. Oh my gosh. I might have just gotten too nervous at the end because, guys, I've never actually gotten a sub 12 average of 12. I mean, a sub 20 average of 12 in practice before, so man, I thought I was gonna be like my first ever sub 20 average of 12 ever, and it was caught on camera, so that would have been crazy. But I mean, 20 seconds, 0.90 is actually pretty good. That's probably like a record for me, to be honest. Like, let me show you guys my previous practice sessions. Like yesterday, average of 12 is like 23 seconds, as you can see here. The day before, 21 seconds. And then let's pick just a random date. I even got a 29-second average of 12 before. I don't know how that happened. Yeah, like 23. So yeah, that's usually how my how my times in practice be looking. So yeah, honestly, I'm pretty satisfied. Yeah, but in like the previous time I was recording this video where the mic wasn't working, I was saying that it'll probably take me like 1 or 2 more months to get sub 20. But yeah, I wasn't thinking that I was actually this close, because let me see. If you look here, if I hadn't messed up this this solve right here, I think I might have gotten a sub 12 average of, I mean sub 20 average of 12, to be honest. I keep messing the words up. Sub 20 average of 12. Okay, so but yeah, other than that, really satisfied with the progress. So yep, hopefully next time, or the in 2 months, I'll be sub 20. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Bye guys.